Hey everyone, I hope you are doing great. In today's video, we are diving into something really exciting, how to fetch CMS content in Apex using ConnectAPI and how to do the same using Workbench with REST API. This topic really caught my interest. At first, I was fascinated by how CMS Connect let us pull content like images, documents, and more from a third party CMS and published it inside Experience Cloud, formerly known as Community Cloud. We can use CMS Connect with JSON format and achieve that goal. And if you are curious about that part, I have already a video linked in the description. Feel free to check it out. But then I thought, what if I'm not building an experience cloud site at all? What if I just want to build a Lightning Web component on my home page and show CMS images or document there directly? That's really intrigued me. So I started exploring how to fetch CMS content directly via Apex using ConnectAPI and also using Workbench with REST API endpoint. And guess what? It worked. It's not complicated at all if you follow the steps properly. So today I will walk you through how to do this step by step. But before we jump into the code and setup, let's first understand a bit about Connect API in Salesforce. Connect API is a powerful RESTful framework provided by Salesforce. It gives programmatic access to a wide range of features, not just chatter, but also content, files, collaboration tool, and CMS Connect. You can access it via REST endpoint for external client or use its Apex class inside Salesforce itself. And that's what we will focus on today's session, using Apex class like ConnectAPI.ManagedContent to fetch our CMS data right from Salesforce and using Workbench to fetch our CMS data using REST API. So let's understand why ConnectAPI namespace is better to use inside Salesforce. What are the benefits of that one? So the benefits are no manual REST handling, no need to handle HTTP callout, authentication, or parsing JSON. So if you want to use your CMS content inside Salesforce, no need to write any HTTP callout, authentication, no REST API, nothing. You just use Connect API namespace classes and you are all done. Also, it makes code easier to read and maintain. That is for simplicity. Another one is better performance and ideal for internal automation. So that is why when you want to use CMS content inside Salesforce, use Connect API namespace classes. And when you want to use CMS content outside of Salesforce, then use REST API. Okay, now if you want to understand Connect API namespace and explore the different classes it contains, refer to this document. This is the document. Here you will get all the classes that Connect API namespace contains. So in our case, what will be the class name? The class name will be manage content. Okay, that will be our manage content will be our class name. So just go to this document. It will be available in your um, just freely in developer.salesforce.com. I will provide a link in the description section if you want to try it. So just go there and just search with manage content and you will get the class. So here is the manage content. And if you open the manage content, all the classes that is present in the manage content will be present here. So these are the methods that is present in the manage content class. And then from here, you will, like in my case, I use get all content. So you can use it and get all the content that is present in your channel. So I will come to that. What is channel ID? How you can use that one? I will go through each and everything. So just buckle up. So as I said, you will find the link to this particular document in the description section in case you need it. Now let's first see how to enable Experience Workspace or CMS Workspace in your Salesforce org. So I have already logged in into my Salesforce org, and this is my Salesforce org. So you in this from this gear icon, you click on setup, and once you are in the setup, then in the search box type experience. So at first under digital experience, you will able only to see settings. No other option will be present. And once you enable experience workspace, then you will able to see all other options. Now there is one more option that is called Salesforce CMS. If you open Salesforce CMS, you will able to see this particular one toggle button. And what it will do that if you want to use CMS Workspace. Currently, Salesforce is offering enhanced CMS Workspace, but for some reason, if you want to work with CMS Workspace, then enable this one. Then you can create your workspace both in CMS Workspace as an enhanced, also in enhanced CMS Workspace. Both will be available. Once you enable everything, you are all done. Then refresh the page, and then from here, type experience. Okay, so you will get digital experience. You can choose this app or you can go to digital experience home. So I have clicked on this digital experience home, and this is my digital home experience look like. Now from here, you can create a CMS workspace, because first we need to create a CMS workspace and we want to upload some content there, and then we will able to check like how using REST API or Connect API namespace and all the classes present in the Connect API, how to use that one. So if you click on create a CMS workspace, as for my org, both CMS workspace and enhanced CMS workspace is enabled. So this too is coming. If it is not enabled, then the default one, that is an enhanced CMS workspace, will be created for you. Now once you created, like suppose you provided any name for like test and you click on next, then you need to create some channel. If there is no channel present, if there is channel present, then you can select your channel, and then like I select this one and I click on next, then you need to select your language. Once you select your language and click on finish, your CMS workspace got created. So in my case, I have created this WordPress CMS. Now, once I created this WordPress CMS, it will be empty. Only this shared with workspace will be enabled. Now, using this add and using, if you click on content, then you will able to upload different type of content in this CMS workspace. It could be audio, image, news, video, document, anything. Whatever you want, you can upload that one. So in my case, I have uploaded 2 images and 1 document just for demo purpose. I have uploaded all this. I'm not going to like how to create, how to upload an image, because that is like self-explanatory. So if you click on contain and do all those things, it will be like you can able to easily able to update that one. Now let me show you one of this particular image, how the details looks like. So once you uploaded all this one, a content key will created. What is the type? What is the primary language? Everything will be there, and then here you will get all the details. The status will be published, when it is last modified, created by whom, and what is the file type, what is the content name, everything, what is the size, everything you will able to see on the detail section. Once that is done, once you set up all your CMS, you uploaded all your content, you are good to go. Now let's see. From Workbench, let's first start with the Workbench. How from the Workbench and REST API you can able to access this particular details, all the details that we have uploaded in this particular workspace. Okay, so now in this particular workbench, this is the path that you need to follow, or this is the like REST API GET request that you need to follow to get all the channel details. So once you get all the, like if you want to get the channel details, this is the path that you need to follow. And once you get the channel details, here you get channel ID, what is the name of the channel, what is the domain, everything you will get that one. And also the domain name, you will get it from here. Once you get all the details, then the next part, what are the content present in my channel ID? Okay, so this is my channel ID. Now what are the content present in my channel ID? To get that one, this is the path that you need to follow. That is delivery channel, and then this is the ID that we got it from here. If you see, this is the same ID that we got it from here. So okay, then this is my channel ID. Then I need to mention contents. So once I get contents, and I hit execute, then it will show me how many item I have inside that particular channel. And under this content, I will get that one. And also channel info, if you want to see that one, this is the channel ID again they are providing. So from here also you will get the channel ID, and this is the item that is present. So I have uploaded 3, so that's why 3 item is showing to me. So let me go back here. Yeah, so this is the 3 item that is present. So item 1, item 2 and item 3. So okay, so this is my API Salesforce. This is the API Salesforce. This is Einstein. This is Einstein, and this is Flight FAQ. So all once we get that one, now you can you want to see, right, how the image is looking, how the whether the images is looking fine or not, whether you able to access the images properly or not. To check that one, copy this content or unauthenticated URL, and then go to your Salesforce org, and this is your domain name that they are providing. This is your domain name. So see, I have appended the domain name, and after that I have appended this CMS thing. And then if you click enter, once you click enter, you will get the JSON format like this. So yeah, so after you get the JSON format, then you will get an URL like this. If you click on the URL, you will able to see the image. Now suppose after clicking the URL, you are getting this particular error message. Then do one thing. Rather than using the domain URL, that is .my.salesforce.com, use .lightning.force.com. So one minute. Rather than using .developer.my.salesforce.com, you need to use lightning.force.com, and then rest of the thing will be as is. So after this SCA, CMS, everything whatever is there, you just copy and paste it, and you will able to see whatever images you have loaded, it will come like this. And same for the other one, the Einstein one that I have uploaded, it will come like this. So that is how you can able to test whether your REST API is working or not. Now, if using the REST API, you want to use it from the Apex, you can very well do that one. For that one, you need to use your Connect API, I mean, you need to create your connected app and using that secret key and client secret and that key secret value, using that one, you can able to fetch all the details like this and you can create the resource URL and show it in the LWC. So that you can very well do that one. But that, as I told earlier, if you are using inside Salesforce, no need to do HTTP callout. For that one, Salesforce made your life little bit easier here. It's simpler, it is having a better performance. Use Connect API namespace classes. There come Connect API. Now it's a good segue to go to the Apex class and to check it out how we can able to use Connect API namespace. So this is my developer org and this is the class that I have created in the Apex. So CMS content inside that particular class, I created one wrapper class so that whatever details I required, I want to put it inside a wrapper class and send it to my LWC component. So let me show you the LWC component first. It's very simple, means I have keep it like simplest one. And what I'm doing, I'm just importing the Apex class that I have created and just putting that particular result in this particular CMS content list. And in the HTML, I have created one for loop and using that for loop, using the lightning card, I'm just showing the content key and the image. So yeah, so I'm sending only the image. That's why I'm only using that image to show the images. Now let's go to our Apex class. So what we are doing here. So inside this Apex class, what I am doing, I am using this manage content dot get all content. So I have showed you previously that in this manage content we have get all content. I am using this one. So inside this get all content, you will able to know that what parameter you need to pass. So channel ID will be your channel ID. You know how to get the channel ID. You just go to your REST Workbench REST Explorer and use this particular path and you will get all your channel ID. And from Salesforce also you can able to get the channel ID. So once you get your channel ID, then what? You need to pass that particular channel ID. And what other parameter you need to pass? You need to pass integer page param, pass it null if you don't know what to pass. Page size, what will be your number of items per page? If you are not sure, pass null. Language, it should be like you can get here ENUS. So it could be English, it could be other language as well. So pass that particular language. Manage content type. Now, if you want to fetch everything, like everything, whatever is present in your channel, then pass and just like this. So here I have passed CMS image, but if you don't want, if you want everything, then pass the variable like this. Okay, and then whether include metadata or not, you can keep it as true, false as per your one, and then start date, end date, and show absolute URL. This URL is necessary because you want to like uh, yeah, if you want absolute URL, then pass the value as true, otherwise pass the value as false. Once everything is done, in this case, I have just hard coded things because this is just for demo purpose, but you can runtime, you can pass all those things. So for the time being, I have just passed hard coded value there. Now, once you get all the get content, now get content, you will able to see from here what is the return type. So based upon that return type, create a particular variable. And once you get that variable, you can, because this is a list, right? once you get that one, inside that one, what is present? So you can go to that one, manage content version, and you can see what are the different variable that is present on that particular class. Now you can, from here you can able to see there is items. Item is the main one from where we'll get all our value. And then also we have how many total types is present, how many total number of managed content version present, everything we will able to know from here. So that's why this particular document is very handy. You can able to understand like what to do next, how to iterate, whether it is a list or not, whether it is a normal class or not, what are the variable present on that particular classes. Everything from this document will be clear enough. Now once you get your items, then it will be just like you just need to debug it, whatever value you want, you just fetch it. Like, let me show you content list. This is the content list that I am printing. So this is the content list. Then from this one, I am able to understand that this is like manage content version collection. I need to get that one. So once I get all the content list, then using manage node value, I am getting content nodes. So if you go to here, content node, yeah, version collection. So version content node value. Okay. Yeah, content list items. So I will go here, and from here I need to get this one. Okay. Yeah. So content nodes. I know this is of type map and map. So I created this map, and then using the key set value, I am printing the key. And I saw that my whatever I required, it is actually present in the source and value. So I use that one. I didn't use the another one, that is title and value. Title and value does not contain much detail. It is like version type, node type, and value only present. But this one present much more information. So I use this one. If key equals to source, then get that one. So node value dot get, and then I typecast it with the actual class that I need to use it. Then using that one, I just print it. So after that, I got the file name, file type, what is my unauthenticated URL, what is my URL, everything I got it. And then I keep everything in this wrapper class. Once I get everything and I pass it to my LWC component, and using that one content URL, that is content URL is nothing but actual URL that is passing. I'm setting it in my image source. So yeah, using like this, you can able to get your CMS content using Apex, and you can use it in your LWC component. Now let me show you how it is coming in my home page. So I created a dummy home page. So let me refresh it. So this is my home page, and I just enable this particular home page for LWC component for my home page, and see this is how it is coming. So this is the file. I have kept it simple. I have showing the content key only. You can show the title, name, whatever you want. I'm just showing the content key. So you can able to see this is my content key and this is my image. So there is only two image I have uploaded. One is Einstein, one is another one. So I'm just showing two image here. Like this one, using Connect API, Connect API namespace and the classes present inside that Connect API, you can able to fetch the CMS content easily and show it in your LWC component. You no need to build your experience cloud or experience site. You no need to create an experience cloud for that one to access it, to show it. So yeah, that is all about today's session. Hope you got how to use Connect API or how to use REST endpoint. I will upload all the documents in um, in Git repo, and I will provide all the path that I have used or all the URL that I have used to fetch the data or details from REST API in the Workbench. Hope you like this video. Hope you get the idea about Connect API. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Signing off for today. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.